Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And today you will see how to crochet 3 ways of one stitch. This is my own stitch pattern. It is very easy and fun to crochet. Please join me and let's get started. This is first, second and the third variation. Let's begin the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. For this make chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The foundation chain is ready. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. Your foundation chain could be longer or shorter, it depends on your project. Then chain more. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Then make single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's look at the ready pattern. There are 3 variations how to crochet such kind of stitches. It is my own stitch pattern that I created recently for you. This is the first variation. You can use 2 ways to combine them in large piece of work to create amazing project. For example, bracelet, necklace, or it could be an engine in huge project, or create a scarf for warm season. As you can see, there are some stitches between 2 3D stitches in the bottom, and on the top I didn't skip some stitches. You can combine these stitches with another stitch pattern to create large piece of work. Then I will show you how to crochet this second variation. Here how it looks in blue color of yarn. And let's look at the third variation. For this one I used pink color of yarn. So continue working on my amazing stitch pattern that I created recently for you. Pattern consists of stitch based on 2 stitches, and I remind you my pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 2 rows. Let's crochet row 2. It's gonna be a row of 12 stitches. For this make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 chains. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 3, 4. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My 12 stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, 1, 2. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop. Pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My stitch is ready. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Oops, I lost my loops. Pull through. My total stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. 3 and 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next stitch, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My stitch is ready. Let's stop and look. This is the first variation, how to crochet such kind of stitches. They are my stitches. And here how they look like in yellow color. You can crochet mesh using such stitches. Next time I will show you how to crochet the next variation. Let's look at the back side of this pattern. And this is front. You can use this pattern for any project. Then you should keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row. Let's complete this row with me. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My row is ready. So I will complete my rows in the same way. Next time I will show you how to crochet the stitch. This is the second row of my pattern. Here how it looks. Continue working, make a chain, turn the work, and work with the single crochet in this row. Pattern consists of 2 stitches and stitch based on 2 stitches and 2 tops. You need to know this information for creating your own pattern or use this pattern combined with ready project. And let's complete this row. Insert the hook into the 6th chain stitch from the bottom or first chain stitch from the top. Make single crochet. My row 3 is ready. This is the back side. Let's look at the front. Let's look at the ready stitches. Let's look at the bottom. I've already done this piece of pattern. And let's look at the yellow pattern. I did chain of 6 for the next row. In this row I will pay attention to details because I will show you the way how to crochet my stitch. You should crochet the beginning and the end of this row with your own plus a row of single crochet. Yarn over the hook 4 times, skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. My total stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair from the top, pull up a loop. 1, continue 2 through the next pair and pull up a loop through the next pair. Pull up a loop, here what I have. Then insert the hook into the next stitch, but I didn't do yarn over. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 4 loops at once, like this. So my tall cute stitch is ready. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, yarn over the hook and pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops 1, 2, 3, and pull through loops on the hook. I have done 2 stitches in this row. This is one of the kind 3D stitches that I created recently for you. Then you should crochet 2 more stitches with your own and complete this row as well. And you should crochet a row of single crochet stitches by yourself. Let's look at the ready pattern again. I did this row. I showed you how to crochet this piece of pattern. So you can combine 2 kinds of stitches to create large piece of work. And next time I will show you how to crochet the 3rd kind or 3rd way how to crochet. Let's look at another example. For this one I used another color of yarn and another kind of yarn as well. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to crochet the 3rd way. I'm done 1, 2, 3. I'm done the first one and the second way. Yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My tall stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair, pull up a loop. Continue, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops and pull through 2 loops to complete the stitch. My first stitch in this row is ready. Yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull through. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the next pair or first pair, pull up a loop 1, continue with the next pair, 2, 3, and 4. Insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My stitch is ready. I have done 2 stitches in this row. So I showed you 3 different ways how to create such kind of stitches. Please write comment below this video what way you would like to use in your pattern. Let's look at the ready swatch. This is my 3rd variation, or the 3rd way how to crochet it. And I remind you, you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Here how it looks in the pink color of yarn. Let's look at my ready examples. So that's it, my cute pattern is ready. Here how my examples look like. In this video you have seen how to crochet 3 ways of 1 stitch. This is my magic stitches. I call it the magic because I created it recently for you. Sometimes it looks very difficult, but you don't need special skills, you just need to know how to crochet all stitches. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. Bye!